Hi, in this video, I'm going to use the Azure Speech Resource to invoke some AI capability. And I'm also going to use ChatGPT to generate code that invokes this particular API. So this is going to be a simple tutorial. So I'll just get started with this straight away. So search for the speech resource. Like anything in Azure, we need the speech resource which has AI capabilities. So select the resource and then create. So give a name. In this case, I'm going to name it speech GRP 2025. So I'll select a region that's close to me and then the actual resource name. Right. I choose standard as 0. You can try the free. So this goes on reviews, and then now you have the create option. So that starts the deployment of the resource group and the actual resource. So that's pretty quick, to be frank. So you can see the deployment is succeeded. Now you can go to the resource. So and now you can check for deployments, and then within the deployment name you can go to the resource, and it should be, yeah, it's appearing now after some time. So now you or the actual speech resource. So you can go to manage keys and you can pick up the keys. After this particular example, I will either delete this particular resource group, or you can also regenerate these keys. For the time being, I'm picking up the keys here. I can pick up the keys, but before that, let me generate the ChatGPT code. I will say generate HTML code to invoke Azure text to speech API. So let's see, this goes off and creates the HTML code. So straightforward. So it gives us the placeholders also, so that's very nice. So it uses internally the cognitive services. So let's see how it fits in. So I have got a basic folder here where I'm going to put my HTML. So just copy over as how the instructions say in the left side. It's going to do the same thing, no experimenting. So new, so I'm going to say index.html, and then just paste the code that's required. So here you have the code. Now just replace the subscription key. Obviously you can have a .env file and pick it from there, push everything to JS and all that stuff. And ChatGPT will help you create separate JS file if need be, but just you need to have a refined, chat prompt. So now the region is for me Australia East. So I'm just going to use the same thing, and I'll normally pick it up from here in the page. So that's fine now. So all good. So at this point, if I just go to the folder and double click, it's the same time as now. So once I double click, I have this coming up in not in Chrome, but let me try this whether it works fine. Hi, how are you? So let's see what happens. Okay, that doesn't seem to.
Hi, how are you?
That's good. Took some time, but it definitely works. Hope you are fine. Hope you are fine. Try one more time.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Hope you are fine.
Okay, so that's what I want to demo. The capability of speech service. You can do the text to speech, speech to text, and you can convert it to audio. So you can do a lot of other exploration. But this was mainly to get started with both ChatGPT, how to write a code, as well as invoke that speech service. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.